For this manicure, I took Clearly Frisky, Champagne Toast, and Meet Me at the Chapel and mixed them together. I wanted to create a milk glass look to my nail. I mixed the Clearly Frisky and Meet Me at the Chapel 1-to-1 and then added just a little bit of Champagne Toast. Now I'm just taking my Clearly Frisky bottle brush and applying my base layer, making sure to cap. Once I complete my first layer of my base coat, I'm going to do either a 45 or 60-second cure depending on which lamp you're using. I'm using the deluxe lamp in this video, and I actually have cut the cure time out, but it's a 45-second full cure. Next, I'm going to do my second layer. Once I complete my second layer of my base coat, I will do a complete 45-second cure again. Once again, the cure time has been cut out. And then I'm going to take a cleanser pad and just wipe off the white polish from my Clearly Frisky brush. The colors I used are Sublime and Lemon Meringue to create my shamrocks. I'm using a precision brush and I'm actually drawing 4 hearts where their pointed part meets at the center to make my 4-leaf clover leaves. I apologize for this section of the video being kind of blurry. I didn't realize the camera didn't adjust when I moved my hand. But essentially, I'm just kind of evening out my 4 hearts so that they look like the leaves of the clover. I'm also mixing in a little bit of lemon meringue as I go to give it some color definition. Once I've completed that, I'm actually going to take a striping brush and just draw in the little stem for the clover. When using a striping brush, I make sure that I take some polish on the tip and drag it along either my silicone mat, a tile, a piece of paper to pull that tip of polish onto a nice thin line on the brush. I did a complete cure. Now I'm going in with my precision brush again, and I'm actually going to do a second layer of Sublime so that the clover really pops. Once I complete the Sublime, I go in with some lemon meringue, mostly around the center of the clover, to give it a little bit of color definition. And because the polishes are wet, they sort of marble together. Once I've completed that, I'll do a cure. Now I'm actually going to draw a 3-leaf clover using the same concept as the 4-leaf, only it's 3 hearts instead of 4, joining them with their points at the center. Taking my striping brush and once again drawing the stem, I'll do a complete cure. After that cure is complete, I'm just going back in and doing my second layer of Sublime to make it nice and bright. Adding a little dab of lemon meringue to give it some depth and dimension. Once I finish this, I'll do a complete cure. And this is how I finished off my St. Paddy's manicure. Thanks for watching.